Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can grow radishes in containers with minimal effort and in quick time frame, although they're very quick growing vegetables themselves. So let's get started. So for this I have taken 70% garden soil or potting mix, and in that I have mixed 30% compost or decomposed manure. And the variety of radish that I'm going doesn't need a very deep pot, so for that I have taken 4 to 5 inch rectangular pot, and I'll be sowing the seeds based on the instructions on the packet of the seeds that I'm growing. So it said at least half an inch deep and 2 inches apart, so that's what I'm trying to do here. And I think I can grow like 3 rows here because they're pretty they grow in a very small space, and I can get more radishes in this container. So I made some furrows, and in them I am planting the seeds. I'm putting one seed at a time. This is a very high germination seed. I have already grown it once already, so I know they're very good quality. So I'm just putting one each, and I don't need thinning. So now I'll cover the seeds with a light layer of soil, and then we need to water our soil with a very light shower, but we need to make sure that the soil gets drenched properly and it's properly moist. So here you can see the result after 3 days. The germination has already started for a lot of seeds, and I can see most of them coming out, and some are still trying to come out. So it's a good germination rate seed. As I said, it's high quality, and I must tell you that my balcony is west facing. This state is after 5 days. So here you can see that after 15 days the result, and it's still out in the balcony, although we have fall starting here, the fall season. So I might move it indoors because it is getting really cold out there. So I finally moved my container of radish inside, and this is a west facing window in my apartment, and you can see that the leaves have the foliage have really grown pretty well. And I don't know if you guys have tried it, but the foliage of radish is really very tasty, and it tastes almost like a radish, and if you can stir fry it, it's really yummy. And you can also put it in salads if they're really young and not mature. So if they're mature, you can do a stir fry. If they're not mature, you can put them in salad, and you can still get that kind of taste. Here I was trying to show you one of the bulbs of radish. I don't think I captured it properly, so I'll try again. So here is my second attempt of trying to show you one of the bulbs of radish that is already out, and this result is after 30 days of planting. So you can see this is a pretty quick growing crop. So now I'm ready to harvest. This is like the 40th or 45th day that I am ready to harvest my container. 2 of the radishes were already harvested on a day before, so here I am. So let's begin harvesting. I thought I'm capturing it properly, but seems like I didn't. But anyways, you'll see the final result. There you see, it's a pretty decent size. It came out and looks so beautiful. So there, I cleaned the potting mix out of it, and then I'll take it out. And similarly, I'll harvest few more. I'm planning to harvest the whole container because they're ready. We shouldn't leave them long, otherwise they'll get chewy and won't taste as much good as they should. And one thing that you need to keep in mind while you're growing is don't let the soil dry out completely. Otherwise the radishes kind of lose their taste and gets chewy. Oh my god, look at the size of this one. This is massive, and I'm so proud of it. So in the similar way, I'll harvest the rest of my crop, and I'll share the final result of harvesting. So this is the final result. You can see how much I got from my little container. and I'll eat the greens too. So there I have it in a bunch, and I think it's more than a bunch that we get at the grocery store. So yeah, that was the video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and also smash the like button. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.